By the end of this year, it's estimated to be 12,000 certified architects who are going to be working with a lot of our partners and customers. Traditionally, engineers have only looked at, when they graduated, all of the bright ones only looked at either a Java or a .NET as a background, right? I mean, that's typical of an engineering background. I mean, Pega has suddenly opened up another world completely where there is a lot more to the traditional stereotypical technologies, which is so old, like Alan was describing. COBOL, Java, these are sort of, languages that enterprises do not need to know because we're in the model-driven architecture time. So Pega is becoming increasingly important because it is the only technology that brings business and IT together. And, that allows both the business and IT to work together to create very agile systems for their businesses to respond. So the context of having us here as a first ever conference is the explosion we are seeing in the Pega ecosystem in India, going from 1,000 to 12,000. And we also believe this particular sold out event of 2,000 people will be the smallest event moving forward. We anticipate, because this ecosystem is growing so fast, we've never seen, it's unprecedented in terms of the speed at which it's growing. So we anticipate this is not only going to help all of these developers in terms of learn the newest and the greatest that's coming out of our staple, but most importantly brings together the entire ecosystem for learning best practices, going to the technology pavilion to see all of our products and solutions in working, look at the customer case studies to see. I mean, this afternoon you will get to hear Rachna Bahadur from JPMC talking about their case study. So I think, this particular event, I think, is an extremely important event from an Indian context, and I continue to see this growing even bigger moving forward. Pega 7 helps the world's largest companies automate their operations and optimize their customer experience. So we don't necessarily filter our geography by our customers by geography. We go after the Fortune 500 and Fortune 1000. If you look at the Fortune 500, we probably have quite a lot of them as our customers. So that would be our, I think, irrespective of which geography it is, any large company that has a tremendous need for optimizing their customer experience, reducing their costs, overcoming the growth concerns, or really, automating their business operations would find a tremendous use for it. So equally from an India perspective as well, all of the large companies, irrespective of which vertical they belong to, will find a tremendous use in automating their